So I'm back in this second part of my screencasting of the multimedia caption prototype, testing the feature which may be enabled this summer on the Wikimedia Commons. And yeah, I came to the conclusion that for those of us who contribute to the Wikimedia Commons and does not know much the environment of the Wikidata, it might be pretty confusing on the beginning, but truly on the other side, the interface of the Wikidata looks pretty simple, pretty logic, so maybe one or two video tutorials or some training might help people to get in touch. Actually, what I have noticed, I was like poking around, I look on the recent changes, what's going on in here, and I figure out that I have created this red sofa here. So basically, once you start to edit it, there's like media info. This, it looks like maybe a namespace, wherever. So if I click on red sofa, it looks like this actually. There's a license I added. So basically now it shows to me that this label actually replaces this, let's say, technical label. So now I kind of start to understand what is it useful for, and this is, let's say, the technical number, which is good. But the question then is, well, if I have here, the picture itself is from Hotel Terminal, so here we have an instance of Wikidata, and we are on this, how you call it, property? Is it a property? No, it's a label. Sorry, it's a label. So this is a label, right? That's not a page, or yeah, this is in English. How it's called? Let's see, English. Item. Sorry. So to be correct, this is an item. No label defined. Okay, so it's not defined in English. Okay, let's define it. If I see that's the same name, let's publish it. So this is an item. So red sofa in this case is an item, and this is what is Q. Okay, so that's probably different namespace, or, well, sorry, I don't know how you call these numbers here, but this is, I understand that this is for Wikipedia stuff, and this M1 will be for common stuff. But my question is, if this is related mostly with the Wikipedia, so with the article on Wikipedia, which is called Hotel Terminal, and which is about Hotel Terminal, so the item is called Hotel Terminal, and the item here is the file where some red sofas from the Hotel Terminal. The question is whether the label should not be the file name, or because every there are probably two ways. I don't know what I'm not catching here. Whether you want to have the item or media info in this case for every single image, probably so, because if I have a look, there's still media info. So let's reload the page. What it will do. Okay, the page is reloaded, and well, there's still media info. It did not change here, and if I open here in the window, I have in the URL, I have this this namespace, but on the destination it's called the red sofa. So yeah. So it looks more like that every media info is attached one image. So if I created the media info, which is called red sofa, I cannot list here somehow via some statement, let's say more images, which displays the red sofa, or somewhere here more images, like it's, for example, you have a hotel terminal, and then in every single every single Wikipedia language here you have the links to hotel terminal. So in the case of Wikimedia Commons, I don't know why the Wikimedia Commons is not here, why it's here, but basically, can I place here more images? Edit. Probably not. I don't know. Add qualifier. What's qualifier? Sorry. I don't know. Remove, cancel. Import it. Add reference. Add value. Add value. So maybe I can, if I open a Commons, category. So what about to fill it with this file name to the Wikidata? Okay, it's here. Publish. Okay, there's more. Add value. Well, I guess I can add here more images. So if I can have the statement here of the image, can I have the statement here of the image? Let's try. Image, okay. Well, that's funny. That's funny. Save. And it's not displayed, but maybe it's by the settings of the and why this is here, that's probably okay. I accept. And I don't see the image actually, but it's probably because it's a different wiki or by the settings in here. So let's add the value. Let's add this image itself here. Maybe it will be displayed. Save. Could not save due to an error. The file hotel does not exist on. Okay, so what about to use this image where we are here, add value, this image, yes, save. Okay, the Wikipro does not have the instant Wikimedia Commons or something like that, so I can sort here the images. So basically, so yeah, now I have the media infrared so far, and I could list here images this way. And so what I want to say that the question is, my question is for this label, what should be the label? Because this looks like that every file will have one label, so then the label should be probably basically again the file name itself, and then the description might be the description you leave here in English. Well, yeah, that's a question. But if I place here the label of what is displayed, something shorter, red sofas, then if I will have another picture which will have the red sofas, but let's say from somewhere else, I would like also to place it under the label red sofa. And okay, let's try it. Let's try to upload one more image. I have prepared here this one, but it's just like a test. Let's download it. 0402, okay. Or upload file, browse. Okay, let's use the other ones. That this is easier. Okay, I have here the detail on the sofa, so let's open it. Test the file with red sofa 2. And okay, let's rename it. Let's say Hotel Thermal Czerwone Krzesło, which is in Czech. And well, let's don't save the license upload file. It's just the test wiki. Oops, boring. What? Yeah, that's changing the file name. Okay, why not? Submit modified file description. Okay, so, and the media info is higher. So let's choose the same label here, red so far. What will happen? Red so far test. Is it the same? It's the same. Save. Wow. It works. So different labels, same description in English. That's funny. That's tricky. Let's see what happens in here. So this is still the same, and if I go here, I'm under the red sofa. Well, so that's probably the question to the developers. What is the idea about the labels? Whether yeah, this is different. That's clear, but that here I have now two media infos, 286 and 288, and they had the same label. And can I search by label? Or can I sort them if there are two labels the same way? Well, so this is confusing. That I think should be kind of explained. Anyway, how I adhere more languages. I have seen that other guys have more languages. I cannot switch to Czech, so no. Here's Czechina. Okay, let's switch to Czech. Okay, now I have it. Okay, so I can edit. Now I can edit. Okay, so let's edit. Let's say this is it's the original one. No, which is the original one? Czerwone krzesło. Czerwone krzesło. Okay, this one is the original one. Okay, let's switch here also to Czechina. Cancel, reload, and let's edit it. Let's edit it. Oops, what's this? Aliasing. I don't know what you want from me. Edit. Save. So this way I add the other language. So if I would like to edit in Spanish, Español, it's here. I should switch the language again. That's tricky. I think on the original Wikidata it works much better. What's this? Sorry, I don't know. I don't want this. No, I don't want this. Okay, maybe my internet is slowly or so. Okay. Sofá rojo with the article. I don't know. Los sofás rojos en Hotel Thermal Karlovy. Okay, my session is ending at the end, so maybe I will do the third and last one just in a moment.